Curious about the camera.
He's just over 3 months.
3 months. Scott Brown here, and welcome to another exciting episode of Scott Brown Carpentry. In today's exciting episode, we look at all the finishing work that we have to do in here. This is kind of like the last week of us doing building work inside. Architraves and door jambs and ceiling scotia things. There's a lot of work to do to get to the painting stage. I thought I'd talk through what we're doing here. So I've put that jamb and architrave down there. It forms a bit of a post. You lose a bit of space in the wardrobe here, but what you gain is symmetry. So when all this wardrobe is in, you see two symmetrical architraves either side. And this is the other side. So Paito and I ummed and awed about what to do on this corner here. Ultimately, I got Saeed to put a slimline in here and plaster the corner. And then once it's all painted the same color, I think it'll look good. And this gives us a little return for our skirting as well down the bottom. So that's good. And there you go. That little MDF strip up here that Paito's done. There's a copy of the door here and the door out there. And that wardrobe is exactly the same in here. And it's the same in here. And I've pretty much done all those wardrobes. So this morning, windows. You see the way the window works here, the architraves not only finish the window off for the inside, but they also cover the weights. When it comes to renovations, you pretty much match what the rest of the house has. So that's what I'm doing for these windows. So just like the bottom, we matched the top with the other windows. This is a 30 by 10 mil piece of pine, and it goes up here like so. Thing of beauty, bro. Yeah, I'm impressed. I'm impressed.
So we thought we were done with the flooring, eh, Paito?
It's not over yet, bro. What, breaker board? Is that what you call it?
Yeah, I think so.
So there used to be a doorway coming into the living room here, and then we took the wall out and made it a big wide opening. So there was kind of shoddy flooring under that doorway. So now we patch it in and make it look beautiful.
Yep. And the end's a little high, if anything. Do a little bit of a tucker here. Do that. That's tight. Can't beat it.
Raw tuna. It's hard to beat, bro. Yeah.
Sashimi. Do you ever go to Big Fish in Penrose?
Look, Scott's trying to get some content here. Some exciting avocado action.
Big Fish in Penrose?
Yeah.
Missed.
Big Fish British?
Oh, Big Fish.
Oh, that Big Fish. Yes, I have been, but have they got three? Just three.
So we decided to use MDF to achieve that 10mm sticky outy part that every architrave has. So far so good.
Sticky outy part.
It's a technical term. So those last architraves were existing timber, and we have a bit more here. We try and recycle the timber as best we can. We managed to take off quite a few, but of course the layout is changing quite a bit, so we managed to save a few things, but not everything.
Hey there. It's got.
All scraped off all the paint. All the paint here is just being painted on top of varnish, so it flakes off. You know, you just a gust of wind will knock the paint off. So give it a bit of a sand, and this sucker goes on here like so.
Yeah, looks the part. Just so you know you're done.
Good paint will fix that in. Oh my god. Reduce, reuse, recycle. That's all our skirting for the next exciting episode. We're going to use this as a material room now. And we're going to get all our workbench stuff out here. Free things up for the painter. So it's full on at this stage with painters, electricians, builders, floor sanders soon. So anything we can do to make the job easier is a good idea. Like getting all this stuff out of here.